Welcome to our ultimate arm toning workout. Today we're focusing on sculpting those triceps to help you achieve toned and strong arms. Let's start with some triceps dips. Triceps dips are a classic exercise that targets the triceps while also engaging the shoulders and chest. Begin by positioning yourself on parallel bars, with your arms fully extended and supporting your body weight. Lower yourself by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 repetitions for optimal results. Next up, triceps kickbacks. Start by holding a dumbbell in each hand and bending your knees slightly. Lean forward at the waist, keeping your back straight, and extend your arms behind you while squeezing your triceps. Hold for a moment at the top of the movement before slowly lowering the weights back down. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 reps with controlled form. Moving on to the cable triceps pushdowns. The cable triceps pushdown is a fantastic finishing exercise that targets the triceps while providing constant tension throughout the movement. Attach a straight or V-bar to the high pulley of a cable machine and grasp the handle with an overhand grip. Keep your elbows tucked close to your body as you push the bar down towards your thighs, fully extending your arms. Control the weight as you allow the bar to return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 reps, focusing on a smooth, controlled motion. Finish off with some triceps overhead extensions. Overhead triceps extensions are a powerful exercise for building strength and size in the triceps. Begin by holding a dumbbell or barbell above your head with your arms fully extended. Lower the weight behind your head by bending your elbows. Then extend your arms back up to the starting position. Keep your core engaged and avoid arching your back. Aim for 3 sets of 10-12 reps, focusing on proper form throughout. Remember to prioritize proper form and technique, and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. Consistency is key to seeing results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, keep pushing towards your goals and never give up on becoming the best version of yourself. See you in the next video.